So today we've got lots of new Pokemons for you to look at, haven't we?
Yeah.
You're not allowed to look.
Why?
I don't know. Not allowed to look. No peeking. No peeking.
Got your eyes closed?
Eyes are your eyes closed.
Yeah.
They better be closed. They're closed.
Go on then.
Hey! Hey!
Oh, that's amazing. It's for me.
Hey!
What's that? Shall we show the camera what it is? Ah! How cool is that? Can't see you very well. There you go, that's better. Whoa, I think if we hold it up and down, like that. That is so cool, isn't it? What is it? Can you read it?
Darkrai Vstar.
And what do you say?
Thank you, Jordan.
Are we allowed to open it?
Well, you know the rules.
So what was the rules?
It's always mantra. I open it.
Is that the rules?
That wasn't the
That
rules.
wasn't the rules. What was the rules?
So what are the rules?
We asked to open it.
No.
That.
Yeah. So this is it Darkrai or Darkrai? Darkrai.
I would like to say it's a Darkrai. Makes
Darkrai
sense.
Vstar Premium Collection. We could, what did Jordan said that you can have all the big cards, and these ones we're gonna put them in front of us. We have to close our eyes and pick one each until they're all gone, and then we open them and see what they are. How does that sound?
Yeah,
That
we
sound
can trade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does that sound good? Good idea. Happy
Who's
with
gonna
that?
have this? Wait, you
You.
have that. You have the big one.
I get the big one,
And then you
Yeah,
have
because
to,
you only got one.
and then you
And
have
I got
the
two.
And
You
then
get the
Danny
big
gets
one.
the two small ones.
and you get 2 small ones for your collection.
You have the big one.
Okay,
Yeah.
and you have these.
get the two.
Because Mummy's only got one.
She
big
has.
one.
Thank
Mummy's
you.
only got, what is it, Danny? Show everyone what Mummy's got.
Pokemon!
There you go. I like that one.
Right.
So can you read what it comes with on the back? What does it say it comes with?
One. What does that say? Edge for card 13
Featuring
featuring this
Darkrai.
Darkrai Vstar.
Yeah, and then one
Follow
foil.
card, field card from featuring
Yeah.
discard V.
What's wrong?
The noise
Oh, the
is
noise
coming
is
from
from
the
up there.
balcony.
It's
They're
from up.
cleaning.
Someone's doing something on the balcony. Then you got one oversized foil card featuring Darkrai Vstar, 8 Pokemon TCG booster packs, 1 V-Star marker, and a code card for Pokemon TCG Live, which will clearly go to the what would you call it? The person who, what would you call this?
Donated.
Donated.
Open it!
Should we open
Open it!
it?
Open it! Open it!
Open it.
Go then. What?
Jordan, I want Jordan to sit with us.
Okay.
Oh, you got to be there now.
That's my hand. That's...
No. Do you want to sit there?
Yeah.
Or here?
Oh, yeah. Then I'll be.
Will you move over?
Can I put this here?
Yeah. Can you fit there?
No.
Big bum. Yeah. Do you want to open it from the side or?
Huh. Why from the
It
side?
almost looks like a shark there, doesn't it? Whoa. That's just easier to open from the side. That's where that bit is.
Pre-programming.
Wow. Look how cool that is. Oh, there's nothing in there now. We got like.
Ta-da!
Eat.
Take them out. Woo! It's a goner.
It opened by itself. How did it open? Which one do you want? The V-Star or this?
You haven't the
There,
both.
you've got both the small ones.
The small ones are yours. To go
That-
in your collection.
That
Two
was a
seconds. Got it. Thank you. Wow. So shall we show the packs?
You
Oh,
open
you
this
got a
one.
V-Star card?
You open this one.
No, we're just gonna mix them up and we take one at a time. Like a lucky dip.
Open
Like a
this
lucky
one.
dip. Like a lucky dip. Put it together. Just put it. Hey. Should we show them? Do you want to help me show them to the camera? So which ones are they? So can you say which one that is?
on the
Have a
bottom?
look. So it says Sword and Shield, Astral Radiance.
Astral Radiant.
And same as this one. Because they've all got different art on. Hold that. Hold them up. Astral Radiance again. Oh, they're cute. That's pretty. And this one's different. This one's Brilliant Stars.
Oh.
Sword and
Oh,
Shield.
we like Brilliant Star.
Astral Radiance.
Oh, donated to the donatee.
Lost Origin. Sword and
I
Shield.
don't think I can hold these.
You've got to keep going. Sword and Shield, Brilliant Stars. And the last one, Sword and Shield, Lost Origin.
Ah.
Guardian.
So how is there 2 of each then? Was there 2?
I think so. So
Ah,
donate.
Wow, you did good at doing that.
You
by the way.
rolled them all up. And what's the other bit, Danny, in there?
What's that?
Get a V
Do
star.
you want to show the Vista? The camera?
Hold on, I've got a trick to do.
Okay.
And the jumbo card. V-Star.
Okay.
Look, the small and the big one together.
So, you're both going to get a pack of Lost Origin each,
Whoa!
a pack of Brilliant Stars each,
Whoa!
and then 2 Astral Radiance. So, I think as there are only these 2, I guess that
We can
realistically,
just pick
me being me, would know who these 2 go to, like that.
Yay!
Although
Cheers.
this one, I'm not too sure.
Cheers.
So,
Oh, I think Danny
Oh,
will
there's-
probably want that one.
no, so Danny will probably want
Which ones do you want?
that one and that one. Thought so.
Oh!
It's the cool look.
So I got a kitty cat.
And I feel like that this will probably end up going this way as well.
Yeah,
I like all
one.
the cool ones.
And
Love
Mummy,
that
you're going
one.
to show your large
I
card?
did show it. I did
Yeah.
already when he was showing his little one. The jumbo one. I like this one. That's very cool. I like that you get
Wait, can we
evolutions with
open
the
it?
small ones.
See, open it.
So what one's Danny doing first?
Which one are you doing
I'm
first, Danny?
doing.
Brilliant stuff.
I'm just going to show the 2 cards that you got. So you got a B. Okay. Do you want some water? No. A B and a V-Star. So an evolution. And they're really cool. They're really pretty, actually.
We could put it in the evolutions.
We do have an evolution binder, don't we? They're
Can you
pretty.
Open it now.
Yeah, you can do it. Show, are we doing it? Are we doing it one by
so
one?
Danny will do his one, I think, and then you can do your one. I think that will work.
Yeah. What
I
are
think-
you doing
Let's see all
first?
the
Brilliant
cool
stars.
ones. I want to see all the cool.
Let's see what you get. You got to remember.
But you need it too.
Oh, well, see
I'm not
what-
allowed to see it. You're
Oh, you
not
don't
allowed
want me
to
to
see
see?
it.
Oh.
Okay, I'm not allowed to look. But when can I look?
When do I get to see him?
We all want to look. Did you get hit? So, are we going to show the cards?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, you got good ones!
Hey!
So show them to the camera. Up, that's
So
it.
which one is the best?
Oh, I don't know. You got 2 rares in yours.
That's really good.
So I got a Chimchar,
yeah.
monkey,
Thank you.
a common one, like a cappuccino but Minchio, or like another common one. I got another common one, ball toy, a snorant, common. That sounds quite rude. Nose pass, you can smell well, common. A rare, I got a rare Professor Research, which I'm happy about that. My brother's on his way. I was going to join in. Oh, I did get a rare Mothin, so a normal rare one, which is very cool. And I got this metal energy, and an uncommon Gabite,
Bye.
and then an uncommon Grottle. Oh no, I've got another one too. Grottle and a trainer, Barry, uncommon.
Barry.
We all know a Barry.
Barry.
Wait, who wants to try? We need to try.
Do you want to give them that one to Jordan?
Oh, I've traded.
So you're going to show your cards?
I'll
Oh.
give you this one.
Wait, are you going to show the camera? We can do the trading at the end if you want.
Yeah, we'll open them all up and you can see what you get.
And we keep them separate and then we can have a look. A Magma.
Oh,
A Luxray.
and that's a
That's
rare
good
one, is it?
Yes.
Oh.
And it's a reverse hollow. And then which one's this one? I can't. Drug. A nice little water energy. Oh, eggs.
Eggs.
And hunting gloves.
Oh,
Why do we need hunting gloves?
got to catch a Pokemon.
Yeah, that's true. A V
Stop,
bar.
stop. Oh, Wheezy.
Oh yeah, you're right, Weevil. Not very good at that. Kink. Awesome. Is that it? Spiritomb. Is that it?
No, this is it.
Okay.
Now let's do the trade.
So you're gonna put yours there, and we'll do the trade at the end.
Oh, so
Yeah.
all different. So this one's done.
Right, which one are we going for next? Which one's it gonna be?
They all have red eyes. You can see.
Yeah.
They all
Mine
red eyes.
have all different colour eyes.
Mine always.
Which one are we going for? Lost Origin, Astral Radiance?
Lost Origin.
Lost Origin it is. Who's gonna get the hit? I've seen it now, I can't unsay it. Alright, oh, you got all your Pokemon
And
out,
later
okay.
on, we'll get mine. Oh, don't look at that. That'll be you.
I'm gonna use them.
She would. She'd download the game just to. You two are panicking like. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. I like that one. I like that one too. I'm quite excited about that. They're good. I'm going to start sewing them. So I've got a Hisuian Growleaf.
You have to show which one's
Did-
the.
He didn't, he's joking.
Oh, I thought it meant me.
So this is my
Oddish.
best one.
What we got?
Oh, Rhyhorn is it? Oddish. Uncommon. Common, sorry. Wait, was that an uncommon or common? Common. Common Poliwag.
And guess what? This is an evolution.
Oh, nice.
And there's
Common Phalanx.
another Pokemon.
Common Bronzor. Which one's that, Danny? Or Seadra.
Oh.
And this is a common Spinner.
Panic
Spinner.
Moss.
You got a Panic Mask already. Reverse Hollow.
Mine. Oh, no, that's mine.
Chandelier.
I want to
Rare.
swing.
1, 2, 3.
No, 1, 2, 3.
Fighting Energy. And then Fantina, which is uncommon. Which is which is new. I'm so happy about that. It's not a hollow, sadly. And an uncommon Gloom. Gloom and Doom. And then an uncommon Riley. Do we have a Riley, Danny?
No.
Interesting fact of the day is I always thought this was rock type Pokemon.
It's fighting type.
Oh, I only got 2.
2 left. Can I have a quick look? Oh, you got some good ones. We haven't really had many hollows, though, have we?
No,
Really?
but it comes out the same box, so let's see
Yeah.
what you get.
Which one are we going
Maybe
for?
I'll get them on the online.
Are we going for this one or this one? Was that right, or was it this and this?
They're
It doesn't matter, does it?
No.
Should we just go for
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, maybe not to look. So I just.
I can see that way. If you do it the other way, I can
Turn
look.
your back that way. Yeah, how you were doing it.
How?
Because we can't.
I can
we
only
only
see
see
the
the
back.
back of your Pokemon. So if you do it the other way, we can see over your shoulder.
What?
I'm
You'll see. You'll see. You'll see.
Hey,
You got
do
it?
you want some help? Or you got
I
it?
can't.
That's all right.
Chill out, chill out. I'm not going to look. I'm not looking. I'm
Look,
not
there you go.
There you go. So shall I show mine to the camera?
Turn your
Face to me.
face us. There you go.
So I
'cause
can't
there
see.
you go. We
So
can't see it.
look right for me.
Look different colours.
A Chattet. What did you get?
Oh, hold on.
Oh, you got a Chattet too.
Twins.
What? So then I got a Sneasel,
We
a
should have
different
a
one.
Twin buzzer.
A mid.
Are
Yes,
you sure
a
about that?
Midreaver.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, you got a Sneasel too. You got 2 and a reverse Sneasel. I got.
Oh.
Look, Danny. I got a Pawniard and a reverse Pawniard.
Oh.
So I got a Barboach, a Pawniard, and then a reverse Pawniard. And then I got, Danny,
I choose the bad ones.
a Lillingant.
I think that's very suited to Mummy though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Danny, look.
Fire
That's
Energy,
very suited to Mummy. With the
Jab Life
flowers.
Village,
Hopefully I get something good in this one.
Fingers crossed you do.
Drift Blimp.
Oh, thank you, Danny. Oh, thank you, Mummy.
Last one. Cheers.
It is. Is it the last one?
Yeah.
Good luck, everyone.
Thank you.
Open it. Open it. Open.
Guest appearance.
Wait,
Right.
2,
I got.
1.
What did you get? Oh,
It's
who's
supposed to
that?
be a bat. You remember in the Pokemon thing?
Yeah. And look what I got. Are you ready? Adaman. Hollow. Look.
Doesn't look like a man.
No, it doesn't.
Look at
actually.
this
It's called
one.
Adaman.
Look at this one.
Oh, look. Wait, Danny, wait. Look.
Ooh.
I got a reverse hollow of it.
Oh.
We just got a box, so we then
Oh,
decided
So we're trying something different.
Sci-fi!
Drift
Driftloon.
Loon.
Pokemon cards at the moment.
Hey,
Okay.
mummy.
So now we thought
Sci-fi, yes.
we'd get a box.
Doo-doo-woo-doo.
Oh.
Here's
Oh.
See what they got.
Look what Danny's got.
Oh, amazing! Danny's
What
got
is
good
it?
one.
And I'm not
Evolution.
trading.
Oh, wow.
Combi.
And I'm not
No.
trading it.
They can trade between them
Oh, I
and do it at
see.
home.
And I'm not
They can
trading
make more
it.
collections
Not trading
between
it.
them.
Yeah.
Make it a bit more fun.
Yeah, yeah. That's
And then teach
Like,
you
go
to
back.
share
Look,
it,
Danny.
like,
Yeah, definitely.
and then I get these ones because they go online. So I
Yeah.
play it online, so it's
That's
like
it.
you get the pack,
Oh, I
you
see.
get the
Temple
online,
of
I
Sinnoh.
actually played the game.
And then wait and
see
There
turbo.
you go. Oh, there you go.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
So yeah, that's it. We did it.
Is
High
it
five.
The equivalent amount of packs.
So put it
Yeah,
all
so each
together.
one
High
has
five.
a pack
Yeah.
that they get.
So
and
what was
then,
your favourite Pokemon?
I just play it
Oh,
online,
that's
and then I get the
brilliant.
same
This
as them, and I'm
one.
just like, oh yeah.
I think
But,
this one.
They done really well.
That one,
today.
head cross.
Got
My
some-
one, I think, was
you'll
this
go
one.
through everything with you.
Yeah,
What?
I'm sure.
How did you
Um,
get that
I don't know.
one?
You got them two. Look, you got a V-Star and
Is
a, and a
that-
V.
Cypher
Oh.
with a trainer.
What? Oh! I'm gutted.
Yeah, it's the
Oh, I like
part
that one. That was a lovely one.
So Alicia wants everything that's full illustration or Pokemons that are in the with the trainers in the background,
Oh, okay.
and Danny likes
Trainers and
figure
their
houses.
yeah, their Pokemon are my favourite.
Yeah.
Where
Yeah,
is
so
the?
what?
What, this
Should we
one?
say bye?
Pardon?
Bye.